Right, can't fill it with water because my watering can I used weed killer last week. So yeah, I'll leave that for the time being. Right, I've come onto the electrics for the heater, water heater. Yeah, when I've opened this up, this is obviously the plug that feeds the power to the fuse socket. Earth, blue, neutral, brown is live. Right, I couldn't understand why there were a black and a blue wire going in. And what they've done, the actual original blue wire, they've used as an earth. Why they've swapped, I don't know. And then the black only has a live, well, it's 2-core, no earth. So they've picked up the earth. So what I'm going to do is, like I say, I like the idea of the plug. I really do. You've two switches then, haven't you? You know, for power source, if you will. Anyway, so I'm going to open up the box on the back. That there, and check out what's going on. I'm presuming this is going to be the same. Where they've cut the wires, they've cut the wires in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a fresh, some of that that I got from Screwfix, and rewire it all. Yeah, isn't that weird? Eh? Why have they done that? You know, I hate this phone. There, focus. Right, I shall be back. Here, I've pulled the black wire out now, but the black wire was on the live and the neutral. But yeah, they're picking up the earth was in there, in the earth. I just can't weigh that up. Unless there's a fault with this wire and they bypassed it. And because there's no earth on the black wire. Yeah, look, all there is live and neutral. So they picked up the earth with the other wire. But for the life in me, I can't understand why they've done that. Why not just change the wire, get a wire with earth? Confusing me. Anyway, yeah, so there. They just took the earth from the blue. I've done doing this again because the camera went sideways, wasn't it? Yeah. I just can't weigh that up at all. Like I said, the black wire were coming in through it all here, look. And just the live and neutral. And the earth is picked up from that. Why? I just can't understand why. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this blue. Put some of this here that I got from Screwfix. Good stuff. Good stuff. Train good. Right, shut up, you prig. Right, so I'm going to replace that. Right, just thought I'd show you that because it's done my head in. Well, I ended up taking all this off because it was easier to do that than it were to try and do everything in situ. For one, my screwdriver weren't it wasn't going. Anyway, so it was basically unplug neutral, live and earth out of them bottom 3 terminals. Yeah, there's a nut there, a little plastic nylon nut there. And then it all just came off and simply just got everything wired up right. Yeah, so I'm going to get the cover on now and hopefully everything will be hunky-dory now. Yeah, that were a bugger to put in. Yeah. Yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is drilling a hole through there, running cable through, and having the box, the the fused box, but I still like the idea of the plug. Plus, my charger, my battery charger is going to need a socket as well. So I just want to kill two birds with one stone. Maybe put the socket here, plug the heater in, that'll be on a plug obviously, and the charger same, they'll be on continuous, because obviously I won't be taking any power until I flick the fuse box for the heater, and once I knock up the batteries will be getting charged. But I talked to Mini Maniac last night, and I'm on about putting all these sockets in and everything, but I don't need to, because I want to be more or less self-sufficient. And pissing down. Yeah, so yeah, that's the idea of buying two 130 amp batteries. So I think rather than buying, I'm thinking, I don't know, rather than buying a charger, buy a solar panel. You know, for an extra 30-40 quid. I've got my solar, I've got all my power. The only thing I won't be using after all messing about is the 240 on the water, because that'll be obviously on gas. So I'm just wondering where to bother with sockets at all. You know, what's the point if I'm not going to be on 240? But there's always that possibility, isn't there? So anyway, like I was saying, I'm going to put a double socket battery charger if I buy one. I don't know what to do, to be honest. I'm having a good think about it. Right, yeah, it's looking alright now, isn't it? It's coming to. Slowly, but it's coming to. I'm determined to be ready for May. Well, end of this month. Even if it means cooking on just a barbecue. It's expense. It's like hotels expense. Right, I am going now, and I'll probably upload this tonight. Bye bye. Right, been at it for about 2 or 3 hours. I'm not an electrician. I'd be bankrupt if I were. But anyway, what have I done? What have I done? Oh yeah, God. The feed from the electrical box, which is located at the back of here, comes down. Put the wire underneath here, going to, hang on, a double socket. That is the plug for the water heater. Obviously this thing is going to feed into the socket. That is going to be inside it. So we're all set up anyway. All them are connected to this. So, like I say, once the electric's on, when I'm hooked up, just turn it on. Well, in fact, just leave it on and turn the water on and off with that. Right. Yeah. So, that's all I've done today. I've had Ollie in. God, and it is a laugh. Anyway, right, so that's what I've done. Oh, God. So, what am I doing tomorrow? Saturday tomorrow, so I think I'll go and buy myself a watering can, put some water in. And what I want to do is I want to get all this side complete, you know, finished, done. And then all I've got to do then, God, I've heard me, is build these two seats, one there, run this cable round, because I'm going to have a socket there, and this, that, yeah. There's also a cable anyway, going from 240 unit to the behind, well, and then we can have sockets in the kitchen. So I keep repeating myself, don't I? But because of what's happened, it's the cash. I just can't afford to buy anything at the moment. So I'm just trying to get done every single thing that I can. That ain't going to cost me anything. I like all this trim. You know, I've got cloth. Could use a bit of board. You know what I mean? It's simple, really. I've got some little bits that I can finish off. You know, it's just little crazy things. I can fit that seat belt that I got off Nick, which I haven't done yet. You know, I'm looking at this gap now, and I think it'd have been alright at 36 inch. But it's done now, and well, I ain't putting an extension on. Well, I could put it over that end, couldn't I? Oh, I might think about that. Yeah. Nah. Eh? What do you think? It'll make no difference, will it? Anyway, I'll think about that tonight. Right, so people, bye-bye.